and we're here to respond to this toxic waste that is being spread outside of this toxic foundation where they want to build a compressor.
Can you tell me a little bit about what is the danger of the compressor plant that's being built here?
This parcel of land is literally a toxic foundation that they want to build this compressor on. It's built on coal ash, and coal ash has a number of toxic compounds in it, including arsenic, selenium, other metals that are toxic to human health. In addition, there is asbestos known to be in this site from burner bricks that was used in
As a healthcare provider, what's going on here is so against everything health-wise. This is all toxic waste here. This is coal ash, which contains arsenic. All of the trucks are covered with the ash. The workers are working here without any protection. The dust is not kept down by any water at all, so it's blowing all over the place. The truck should not be able to leave without getting washed off, and they're spreading the coal ash and the arsenic all throughout the community. In today's day and age, it's a huge step backwards, and it's going to be a huge violation against EPA rules.